In this video, I will be discussing the use of Markdown, specifically in Google Colab. So when you open a Colab notebook, it will automatically have a code cell here. We will want to use the text cell. So Markdown is the language for the text cell, and it's a simple text formatting language. In a Colab notebook, you will write in Markdown on the left, and then the formatted text will appear on the right. And then if you click outside of cell, then you'll just see the formatted text. Some basic things you can do is create a heading with a pound sign. You'll want to keep in mind that the code and the text cells are using different languages. So the pound sign Python would be a comment. Here it makes a heading. And then 2 pound signs is a subheading. To make bold text, you use 2 asterisks. To make italicized text, you can either use single asterisks or you can use the underscore And so this form might be easier to use if, for example, you were combining bold and italics. So an example of bold italics could be this. So it's both bolded and italicized. If you want to make a double space, you can insert 2 backslashes between the 2 lines, and it will insert a blank space. A backslash in the line negates formatting. So for example, if you wanted to have something between asterisks but not italicize it, you would first put the backslash and it will ignore the asterisks and display them. Another simple thing you can do in Markdown is generate lists. So one way to make a list is with asterisks. You can make sublists by making an indent before the asterisks. You can also make numbered lists. And in a numbered list, you can write any number there and it will still go in numerical order. You can make tables in Markdown. To make a table, you indicate headers with 3 dashes and columns with this straight line, which is above the backslash on the keyboard. So an example of this is the name of the first column is column 1. The second column is column 2. And then the value of column 1 is 1. And the value of column 2 is 2. And then to indicate that this is the header, you do the 3 dashes for each column. So those are some of the basic formatting you can do in Markdown. And in the next video, we will be covering the use of LaTex within Markdown for writing equations and special symbols.